That'll make it a little bit quicker for you as well. So 8mm, and then you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and that's it. Those are the only tools you'll need, so it's pretty simple to do. First things first, what you're going to want to do is remove the panel, the hard plastic panel that covers for the window up and down. So the switch, there's 2 wiring harnesses in here you're going to want to access to remove that completely. So you got to find the lip here between the hard plastic and the soft plastic. You want to gently remove it, pry up on it. There's some clips in here that's holding in place. Just slide right down, remove that. Now for time purposes, I did speed this up a little bit, but I want to show you what you're going to do first. Now there are 2 wiring harnesses right here, okay? You're just going to easily remove those. There's a little clip on the front one and the back one. You just press and pull. There's 2 of them, okay? Top one, bottom one. So you just want to set this aside. Next, what you're going to want to do is access these cover panels. These are in the very back, straight inside the door. So what you'll need, there's a little notch right here, right there, where you can just pry the screwdriver in and pull this straight out, okay? So once I pull that out, it'll access 2 8mm screws, just like these. Okay, it's straight right in here. It'll access it, so you can pull those out. And then there's one up here, right behind the handle, another flat panel. Alright, so I got that removed, fell down in here, no big deal. Second panel, and that's a 7mm, okay? So now that that's all removed, you're ready to remove it from the assembly itself, from the door. And you want to keep in mind that this door lock indicator, you want to pull it up from that and use a screwdriver along the edges if you have to kind of pry it loose. They're just a bunch of clips you gotta remove. So I already removed most of them, loosened them just so to make it quicker for you guys. And then you just pull this up. Okay, now you're almost done. Now back here, there is a wiring harness right there. See where the blue handle is? What you're going to do is pull down on that handle. Okay, and then it just pulls off right from that. And then here, there's a little thing right here, wire. You just pull it loose, and bam, then you have it removed. Okay, so that's pretty much how you remove it in just a couple minutes. Pretty simple to do, and then obviously when you're putting it back, you're going to do the reverse order on that. So all in all, pretty simple task. Just make sure that you're putting everything back together. When you're putting it back, you want to do the harnesses, this wire, and then you're going to stick it over the door lock indicator right through the hole here to make it a little bit easier. And just follow along. Some of the clips may come off, but no big deal. Pretty easy to do, just snap back in place, and then that's it. So again, 7mm, 2 8mm screws, flathead screwdriver, and that should be all you need. So the back might be a little bit different, but again, hope you find this video helpful. Please be sure to give it a like, comment below, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks, guys.